Students, to take your seat.
मैं भारत का गुणगान सुनाने आया हूँ, साहस त्याग तपस्या और बलिदान सुनाने आया हूँ। देश प्रेम की गाथा को कविता में आज पिरोता हूँ, मातृभूमि के चरणों को अपने शब्दों से धोता हूँ। ये वो धरती जिसने हर प्राणी को स्थान दिया, ये वो धरती है जिसने रामायण गीता का ज्ञान दिया, आयुर्वेद योग दर्शन का पाठ पढ़ाया दुनिया को, अर्थशास्त्र विज्ञान गणित का मर्म सिखाया दुनिया को।
A very good morning to respected principals, sir, teachers and students. It's a day of pride, a day of reflection and a day of celebration. As we gather here this morning, we honor the spirit of freedom that our nation was built upon. Today, we commemorate countless sacrifices and the unwavering determination of those who fought to give us this precious gift of independence.
Let's come together to celebrate the rich history, vibrant culture and the unity that makes our nation truly great. On this auspicious occasion, we are blessed with the presence of our Honorable Principal Sir and Dr. R. Madhavan Unni and our coordinators, Mr. Bilal Thomas and Mr. Devisi. We welcome you, sir. I also welcome all the teachers and students to this special Independence Day program. Let's make it a memorable one. The theme for Independence Day 2024 is Vikasit Bharat. Anushka, what do we exactly mean by Vikasit Bharat?
Vikasit Bharat aims to transform India into a developed nation. The vision includes economic growth, environmental stability, social progress, and good governance. Now, dear audience, let's take a moment to reflect on the timeless beauty and strength of our beloved country. This next song, Bharat Hi Rehna Chahiye, captures the essence of what India truly stands for. Its unity, diversity, and unwavering resilience. Please join us in embracing the patriotic fervor as we present this heartfelt tribute to our motherland. सदा फूलते रहे सुमन. Now, may I invite our students to present a patriotic song.
ऐसा दिन ना आए कभी, पर ऐसा हो जाए तो सांसें मेरी थम जाए कभी. Now, may I invite my student. Now, may I invite our student Neha Mishra to say a few words about the importance of the day.
Independence Day. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. इस मिट्टी में कुछ अनूठा है जो सदियों से ये देश महान आत्माओं का निवास रहा है. Never have I known on this earth a country so rich in spiritual heritage like India. Never have I known a country with such diverse culture. Never have I known all the landscapes and natural resources found in one single country. Never have I seen a land other than India that is the home of scholars, scientists, artists and what not. While I speak about this great country, I must mention the significant achievements of India in 2024. In the field of space and science, we have successful insertion of the Aditya L1 mission at Lagrange Point 1 for advanced solar research and the launch of the NISA satellite in collaboration with NASA to study climate change. Progress in Samudrayan mission for deep ocean exploration, reaching a depth of 500 meters. In the field of economic and geopolitical influence, India continued its path to becoming the world's third largest economy, maintaining economic resilience and growth. And notable leadership during the G20 presidency, including the inclusion of the African Union in the G20 and progress on global issues like climate action and digital development. In the field of sports, 2024 Summer Olympics, India has won 6 medals, including a silver in javelin throw by Neeraj Chopra and a bronze in men's field hockey. Also, victory in the 2024 ICC Men's T20 World Cup. The challenges are many. Some of them are poverty, unemployment, population growth, education and corruption. Together, we can fight these problems by putting our best effort. We can work on environmental sustainability, economic growth, urbanization, social inclusion and equality. Once again, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Thank you.
थैंक यू नेहा। है गर्व हमें इस मिट्टी पर, भारत एक जरिया है, यूं ही नहीं मेरे देश का नाम एक सोने की चिड़िया है। Now our student Dipanshi Pandey from class 7 will present a patriotic poem चमक रहा उतुंग हिमा। Please welcome her.
स्वतंत्रता दिवस के पावन पुनीत अवसर पर मैं आप सभी को एक कविता सुनाने जा रही हूँ। आशा है आप सबको यह पसंद आएगी। चमक रहा उत्तुंग हिमालय, यह नगराज हमारा ही है, जोड़ नहीं धरती पर जिसका वह नगराज हमारा ही है। नदी हमारी ही है गंगा, प्लावित करती मधुरस धारा, बहती है क्या और कहीं भी ऐसी पावन कलकल धारा। सम्मानित जो सकल विश्व में महिमा जिनकी बहुत रही है, अमर ग्रंथ में सभी हमारे उपनिषदों का देश रही है। गाएंगे ये हम सब इसका, यह है स्वर्णिम देश हमारा, आगे कौन जगत में हमसे, यह है भारत देश हमारा। यह है भारत देश हमारा, महारथी कई हुए जहाँ पर, यह है देश मणि का स्वर्णिम ऋषियों ने तप किए जहाँ पर, यह है देश जहाँ नारद के गूंजे मधुमय गान कभी थे, यह है देश जहाँ पर बनते सर्वोत्तम सामान सभी थे। यह है देश हमारा भारत, पूर्ण ज्ञान का शुभ निकेतन, यह है देश जहाँ पर बसे बुद्ध देव की करुणा चेतन। है महान अति भव्य पुरातन, गूंजेगा यह गान हमारा, है क्या हम सा कोई जग में, यह है भारत देश हमारा। विघ्नों का दल चढ़ आए तो उन्हें देख भयभीत न होंगे, अब न रहेंगे दलित दीन हम, कहीं किसी से हीन न होंगे। शुद्ध स्वार्थ की खातिर हम तो कभी न ऊंचे कर्म करेंगे, पुण्य भूमि यह भारत माता, जग की हम तो भीख न लेंगे। मिश्री मधु मेवा फल सारे, देती हमको सदा यही है, कदली चावल अन्न विविध अरु, शीर सुधा में लुटा रही है। आर्य भूमि उत्कर्ष में यह, गूंजेगा यह गान हमारा, कौन करेगा समता इसकी, महिमा में यह देश हमारा। जय हिंद।
Thank you, Dipanshi. In honor of our Independence Day, our talented performers are here to bring you a piece of Punjab's rich heritage through a vibrant and energetic dance that will transport you straight to the heart of Punjab, a land known for its courage, warmth and infectious energy. Presenting to you with pride and patriotism, a Punjabi dance performance that will surely make your heart leap with joy.
दुश्मन की
Students and dance department. India is a land of unparalleled diversity where every region, culture and tradition contributes to the symphony that is our nation. This next performance beautifully captures the essence of diversity and harmony through the powerful and evocative song Bharat Anokha Raag Hai. So let's immerse ourselves in the rhythm and elegance of this performance. As our dancers take the stage, they will bring to life the unique rhythm and melody that represent the unity in diversity of our great nation. Let's celebrate the rich cultural heritage of India through this mesmerizing dance that honors the spirit of our incredible country. Please welcome our performers. of Shri Jindal Vidyaniketan family, I Saksham Shah and my classmate Anushka Nair wish you all a very happy Independence Day.
All the students are requested to maintain decorum till the class teachers escort them.